Doing the 21 days of summer cleaning detox this week. Today is day 4. And hopefully you've been doing so well so far. This week we're not fasting yet, which means you couldn't have failed. Okay? So let's clear that up. We're not fasting yet, so there's no way you failed. So if you think you failed, get rid of that notion. You didn't fail. You just probably didn't let go as effectively yet, right? So now we're just gonna keep on with that letting go process. So every single day we're letting go of something different. Okay, the last few days we let go of certain things. Now you're juicing for breakfast, but now you're also juicing for dinner. Okay. Now I'm not sure if everybody has been in tune. I've just been sending the text message. Um, so for me, it seems like I don't know. If I don't get a text back, I don't necessarily know if people are doing it or not. But that's beyond the point. The point is today is day 4, and we're gonna keep going with it, right? You have the first breakfast. You're not having breakfast, so no breakfast. To break the fast, you don't do that till 12. So no breakfast. You have fruits or just the vegetable juice, and the vegetable juice is beets, celery, carrots, ginger, turmeric. So you just have that in the rising, and then for dinner, you're gonna have the juice again. So the only thing you're actually eating this week is lunch, right? The only thing you're eating today is lunch. Somebody said, Ed, come on, Ed, I can't do it. Well, if you find yourself hungry, you could have like a smoothie or something, right? You'll be good. You can have some fruits, right? You'll be good. So all you're doing is you're not eating breakfast, you're eating lunch, and you're not eating dinner, and you close off the time that you eat 7 p.m. Don't eat any time after that. All right? Can we make a dedication to doing that? And then the last thing is the letting go. So let's say, who is making a dedication to not eating dinner today?
I am.
Yes, I
I
am.
am. I am. Yes. Me too. Okay. All right. So today you're letting go of white meat and dairy. Okay. If you haven't done that already. So every day we let go of something. We had let go of bread, butter, red meat, salt. Okay. And yesterday was letting go of caffeine, fried foods. So no caffeine, no fried foods, no bread, no butter, no red meat, no salt. Well, yeah, no excessive salt, no salt, no salt. And today, no white meat or dairy. Hope if you've done those before in your diet, then you're good. So you just release those things, and that's day 4. Now next week for week 2, and there's a journaling prompt for today to write a gratitude letter to your creator. Um, Writing a gratitude letter to do that. Week 2, there are herbs that comes with it. Who wants the package for the herbs? Because I need to. If you do, let me know today or forever hold your peace. So it's gonna be $49, $50, and it includes agar powder, cayenne pepper capsules, bee pollen. Um, yeah. Why do I keep forgetting the other 2 ingredients? Okay.
Burdock root.
What was that?
Burdock root.
Burdock root. Burdock root.
How often do you take that? Like I have the liquid,
How often? I mean, whenever you trying to
like
do
twice a day, right? I don't know.
twice
You
a
get,
day.
I don't know. It's like a droplet. You gotta read it again.
Oh, I mean it. I mean you're not taking this every day.
No, exactly.
I mean doing the cleanse, you can do it based on your preferences. I like to do the tea too, because I take the burdock root and do the tea. So for that, I would drink it whenever, like throughout the second week, I'll drink it probably like 3 or 4 times out of that week,
Okay.
like once in a day. But I wouldn't overdo it though.
Sea moss is good too.
Yeah, sea moss is good, but everybody can add that, but it's just that I'm not gonna handle the distribution of that or anything like that.
Yeah, no, I understand.
So that is the detox. We moved. Talk about the detox. It's 8 o'clock. Um, how about we leave it here? Let's drop some affirmations. No, let's do one more dance, and then we drop the affirmations, and then we could go and do your thing. Okay, so because nobody wants that detox kit with the stew softener, the agar powder, the bee pollen capsules, the cayenne pepper caps, and burdock root. Okay, cool. By the way, if you watching the replay of that and you need that for week 2, text me. I need the detox kit. All right, whoever watching the video, text me. I need the detox kit because I'm not gonna be sending them out post Saturday. This is the last call for that. Last call for the detox kit.